Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the new SSD's interface and capacity, and you back up essential data right away. Once done, create a bootable USB installer and gather drivers so you don't stall later. Now power off, unplug, and ground yourself. Open the case and identify the current boot drive and empty bay or M2 slot. Install the new SSD physically, seat it firmly, screw or secure the M2, and reconnect power and data cables so you're ready for the next step. You now choose cloning versus a clean install based on time and cleanliness. If you clone, connect the SSD externally, run a reliable imaging tool, and enable sector-by-sector copy. Make sure partition alignment matches NVMe or advanced format needs to preserve performance. If you opt for a fresh install, boot the USB, delete or create partitions as intended, install the OS, and immediately load chipset and storage drivers. Either way, once the OS is present, update firmware and run disk checks to confirm integrity. You finish by changing the boot order in UEFI so the new SSD is primary. While there, confirm OSI or NVMe modes are enabled for optimal performance. Boot into the OS and verify everything loads, then run Smart, a quick benchmark, and check Device Manager for missing drivers. If all is well, you can format or repurpose the old drive. If it won't boot, try resetting BIOS defaults, reselecting the drive, running the installer's startup repair, or recloning. Those steps usually resolve common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.